Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So today we are deep diving into the all new OnePlus Buds 4. These are the budget TWS with flagship level ambitions. From 55 dB ANC to dual drivers, 3D audio and even the AI features have been included this time. These buds pack a lot for under 6K. But do they deliver all those promises? Let's find out in this single video. See, talking about design and build quality, OnePlus Buds 4 comes in two signature colors, Zen Green and Storm Grey. They have got a plastic build, but the case feels lightweight and pocket friendly. Controls are super intuitive. Swipe up or swipe down to control volume. Long press to toggle ANC or transparency. Tap to play, pause or skip tracks. They are also IP55 rated, so sweat, rain, daily splashes, no problems at all. And during the testing, they were comfortable enough to forget they were in my ear. No scratches after a week of rough usage, but honestly, Buds 3 looked more premium with that glossy case. But functionally, these are just as good, maybe even better than Buds 3. Now the sound, and trust me, OnePlus has done some solid work here. You get dual drivers, an upgraded 11mm ceramic woofer for deeper bass, and a 6mm tweeter for crisp highs. Frequency range is 15Hz to 40 kHz. That's massive. They also support LHDC 5.0 and are certified high resolution audio wireless. Other goodies include 3D audio, OnePlus version of special audio, golden sound, which customizes audio after a quick hearing test. In real usage, bass is deep and textured. Vocal stays clean till 80% volume. At full volume, trebles can feel a bit sharp. They are loud enough even at bus stands or metros. But yes, bass can overpower details at high volume. OnePlus Buds 4 comes with real-time adaptive ANC up to 55 dB. And 3 mic per earbud means calls and noise isolation are pretty much solid. In our testing, ANC worked great in malls, offices or even roadsides. But it struggles when it's windy outside. Transparency mode felt robotic. Adaptive ANC was okayish, not as refined as you want it. Still, considering the price, it's good enough. In terms of battery, OnePlus claims 45 hours of total playback. But for this, we did detailed testing. So let's break it down. See, earbud alone gives you 11 hours with ANC off. 9 hours with ANC on, also 9 hours with LHDC and ANC off. 5.5 hours you get when you turn on LHDC and ANC. And in terms of charging, 10 minutes charge equal 3.5 hours of usage, that too only buds. And 10 minutes of charge will give you 11 hours of battery backup, including buds and case. Fully charging the buds takes 50 minutes. From my end with Spotify plus ANC, 1 hour drained 20% of battery. And full charge from 0 to 100 for both case and buds took around 85 minutes, which is solid for daily usage. The Buds 4 also supports Bluetooth 5.4. Along with Google Fast Pairing, dual device pairing, you also get steady connected stable Bluetooth even with multiple walls between. Outdoor range is up to 250 meters. Bonus features what we get here is AI translation, but it's not for every device on selected OnePlus phones running OxygenOS 15.0.1 or above. We get the voice assistant shortcut, tap and activate your phone's assistant, super low latency mode for gaming, and for non-OnePlus users, you can use the Hey Melody app for full customization. The features what you get on OnePlus smartphones, in the Bluetooth settings, you can find those similar features in the Hey Melody application also. You get 3 presets equalizer plus a custom EQ golden sound hearing test, 3D audio toggle, ear fit test for better seals, find my device, dual device management. You can also double tap on any of the bud to take photos from your device. We also have the voice assistant shortcut. A lot of premium features packed in here. Honestly, I wasn't expecting so many features being added here. About the mic quality indoor, we did not face any kind of issues. Voice is clear and loud. Outdoors, like most TWS earbuds, background noise is a problem in crowded places or bus stations. But for general calls, it does the job well. Inside the box, you get buds, charging case, extra ear tips, Type-C charging cable, user manual, safety and warranty papers. Clean, simple packaging. And now let's talk about what's good and what's not. Starting off with the pros, it's super lightweight and comfortable, powerful bass and good audio tuning, strong ANC at this price, dual pairing, fast charging and custom equalizers plus golden sound. See, everything is not perfect, so there are few cons. Harsh treble at full volume, no wireless charging, transparency mode feels robotic. Adaptive ANC is not top tier. Bass can overpower mids, highs sometimes. Bass wave feature I personally felt gimmick. So guys, this was all about OnePlus Buds 4. If your budget is under 6K and you want feature-rich, bass-heavy TWS with decent ANC and fast charging, OnePlus Buds 4 is an excellent option. In fact, it offers feature usually you get in OnePlus Buds Pro 3. They are best suited for bass lovers, OnePlus phone users, casual listeners who wants a taste of premium features without spending premium money. What do you guys have to say about OnePlus Buds 4? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys have any specific questions related to these buds, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.